Yes, sir. We have the PROGRID OMNI 9. This is a collaboration with JAE and SAUCONY. And I know a lot of people say the proper name is SAUCONY, but hey, man, I grew up calling them SAUCONY, so that's what it is. In today's video, we got the pink colorway. Yo, these joints, man, I feel like JAE is not missing with the collabs. Let's jump straight into it, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I still wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, stand straight.
How about gang? Bitch, you kiss your friend in front of me, she better fuck too. I just popped this perk before I told that hoe to come through. Way she throw it back, I had to hit her with that 1-2. I keep her around cause she do anything I want to. I be punching with my rounds, fuck around if you want to. SG keep them posy, smoking niggas like they runs too. Alley in them halls, he hit my line and told me come through. I got niggas out the country, boy, you know they like to hunt food. Hang around a bitch and what that make you a bitch too. Hang around a lick and what that make you a lick too. Niggas sending shots at us, don't think we not gon' hit two. Fuck around, gon' spin one, we spun back, gon' spin two. I pack and my blunts gon' like that. You can try your luck, just know that you can't get your life back. Thumbing through these dead niggas, I know that they don't like that. Use it for the head and make her pay her own flight back.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Today, we taking a look at the PROGRID OMNI 9 in the pink colorway. This is a JAE collab with SAUCONY, and this one right here is called the To-Do List pink colorway right here, man. And I must say, I am very pleased with this collaboration, man. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video. I appreciate all the love and support, and let's jump straight into it. So starting off with box presentation, man, just like the previous JAE that came out, one thing that I want to say that I like is that he kept the same color scheme, although he changed it around and gave us a different type of vibe when it came to the box. Now, right here on the top, you guys can see you have the Savior, and you actually have somebody like a mountain climber, man. It looks like somebody like climbing a mountain on them thing. And then right here you do have the mountain right here, and then right here you guys can see right here it does say with the 3D print that kind of goes with like an upside down vibe, it does say SAUCONY and Savior and collabs with JAE, of course. Nothing crazy when it comes to tissue paper, man, just regular tissue paper. And then you have the made by JAE right here and the SAUCONY right there. We can't forget you got the globe right here on the box as well. Let's get into the sneakers. Yes, Lord, y'all. Now, these released on September 20th, and that was when the worldwide release was. They first were introduced in Paris when they had Fashion Week in Paris, and these joints right here are just a banger. When you talk about a comfortable sneaker, I feel like this is definitely one of those, man, and I love like the little hidden details that they put on the sneaker and everything like that. Now, this is the PROGRID OMNI 9. This is not a new silhouette. This silhouette first was introduced in 2010, and just like all the other silhouettes that JAE has done, just bringing back and doing his own spin, kind of making that specific silhouette bring a little bit more traction to it, and you know, making a lot of people feel like, you know, I want to go out and try one. And I feel like just with trying this one out, I definitely would be interested in trying out different of the PROGRID 9s, you know, and that's just me personally. Now, there was another colorway that came out with these, and it was a tan colorway. They also dropped for the kids in a GS size. They did drop the To-Do List in the Shadow 6000s. Now, when it came to those 6000s, they came with the same type of effect as far as color blocking and everything, and I think that that's a dope touch to do something for the youth. Now, right here, you guys can see that this is made up of a pink with a little bit of that violet, purple, however you want to look at it, but you have the pink, you have the navy blue on this, you have different shades of pink, to be honest. Kind of have like a hot pink and then like kind of a, you know, different shade of pink right here, because this is considered pink, but when you really look at the details on it, you do have like this plastic detail on there that I like right here going along the back of the sneaker right there, and I just feel like they did a great job with the different type of materials they use. The overlays of the mesh overlays right here, definitely making it breathable and for max maximum comfort. I like the fact that right here you do kind of have like a plastic vibe right here. You have that Saucony right there, and on the other sneaker, instead of putting Saucony, you went with a non-plastic, just a stitched on version of what you see on the lid of the box, which is, it says Savior, and it has like somebody climbing a mountain right there. On both sneakers, on the outer panels of the sneaker, you do get hit with that Savior on the right and on the left sneaker, so I think that that's also a nice little touch to the sneaker. And then countering it, in the middle of the sneaker, you do have the Saucony branding right there, and I think that that's a nice touch as well. Now when you take a look at the inner sneakers, I'm going to show you right here. You guys can see on the right sneaker you do get that globe, which is of course J-Tip's signature, having that globe. And then right here you also have another signature, which is the flower, and I think that's a nice little touch to it. Having the mixed colors, having the green for the sock liner. Now when you take a look at the sock liner, one thing that I do want to point out is that you have this little small detail on the inside right there on both sneakers. You do have on the inside, it does say made by J-Tips on the inside of the sneaker on the sock liner. Those are just some small little details that they put on this PROGRID Omni 9. Now another thing that they did was the insole. On the right shoe it says comfortable shoes, and then you have the signature. On the left shoe you do have, you should make a to-do list today, and then you have the globe as well. And I must agree with what the right sneaker says, comfortable shoes. Now one thing I do want to point out is if you are trying to get a pair of these, definitely go a half size up from your true size. I feel like that's the best way to rock any Saucony, especially, you know, that's just me going off of different ones that I've purchased over the last like 4 years. I've been purchasing Sauconys, different ones, and I would definitely say that going half a size up is definitely better than going true to size. Now $180 was the price on these right here. I feel like with these, if they would have did, you know, 2 extra set of laces, so that you, or even just 1 set of laces, you know, but I feel like 2 would have been perfect just for the colors of these. And the only other thing, and I mean it's something that I can't say that they could have fixed, but I did have a factory flaw on mine. As you guys see right there, I do have like a piece right there on the toe box. It's not too noticeable, especially when you have them on, but I'm pretty sure you guys will notice it in the on feet, because the on feet is like so up and close and personal. But you know, I would definitely have wished that I didn't have that happen to my sneaker, but hey, it is what it is, man. As you see, I did something different. I actually did a little on feet portion for you guys in the beginning, but I'll run the full on feet for you guys now. So y'all already know the vibes, man. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down if you guys have copped any of the J-Tips collabs. You know, the Grid Shadow 2s, I feel like the reason why I didn't go after the tan pair of the to-do list was just because I got the tan pair of these, and I mean the colorway is not the same, but I really just wasn't feeling the tan pair as much as I was feeling the pink pair. And I know that this pair, you know, this one being kind of a blue vibe. I love the concept that he's doing with what he's naming them. This is wear to a date, and this is wear to the party. And I just love the concept that he's done. You know, I still wish I had got my hands on the other pair of Sauconys that he came out with. I think those are the Azura 2000s, if I'm not mistaken. I might be pronouncing that wrong. Don't butcher me in the comment section, y'all. But you know, I do love the concept of having the globe, having the, you know, all of his little signature pieces on the sneaker. And you know, that's really dope to me that he is incorporating the same thing, just putting it on different silhouettes. And like I said, keeping it funky with the box presentation. I would honestly say that I feel like the Grid Shadow 2 had a better box presentation. That's just me personally. I just think that this one just had a little bit more going on with it. You know, faces right there, of course right there. You have some stuff, you got some stuff on the bottom and everything like that. I just felt like this one was a little bit better with the box, but I like the box on this one as well, but still having kind of similar color schemes. And it's crazy because the Grid Shadow 2s, they came with extra laces, so you know, that's kind of also one of them things that kind of threw me off. But stay tuned to the channel. I appreciate y'all rocking out with your boy. But y'all comment down below y'all thoughts and opinions. I'm gonna throw these bad boys on feed. It's your boy DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, enjoy the banger by the Broski Nemo bands. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing.
Leaving them on red, but still getting all these right backs. Took a nigga, bitch, what you think I'm ready? Fight next. Niggas say it's up, that's where we gon' put his life at. Niggas, you ain't gangsta, you ain't never grew up like that. Hey Brody, where that pole at? Glizzy with the Pro Mac. Niggas got their hands out. Nigga, hold that. Police Ice at my door, she in the blinds, I told her close that. Made it out the back before they crash, I had to go fast. Yeah, we in the scat, it ain't the cat, but it still go fast. Shorty sneaking off and freaking off before she go back. Harry bitch, I fuck, I guarantee that I could go back. Bullets sound like bees, ready sting when they go past. I don't need no beam to bring this beam to your dough, man. Nigga should've been an athlete, he ran a full flat. You ain't getting broke back, you niggas better find a hobby before you play with me. Might just hit this bitch to get the code for the ADT. Bro, he laying low, just came home and got an APB. See, we getting money, I got hoes, yeah, from A to Z. This conversation A to B, getting checks could pay your dreams. I already fucked that bitch, now I don't think I got no need. 24 hours later, I ain't still had no sleep. Before I let you hold some money, bitch, I let you hold these, yeah.